Come on, carry yourself.
Brother, you're not giving money now.
Oh, pue. What's happened?
Brother, beg.
Brother beg, wait here. Shall I just give you money? Wait till brother beg. What's happened?
Brother, beg. I never done before.
You never done before. Oh, nah. Maybe you go back carry you. Which kind of wahala be this one? I never done before.
Situation cause na condition.
Which kind of condition? Which kind of situation? I don't give you money now. Which kind of wahala be this one now? Tell me you shop. You do know your food.
No, my mommy king for the village.
We're waiting to your mommy king for the village. Wait.
Don't die.
Okay, your mommy king for that village don't die.
Yeah.
Now you make you come do call. Okay, so now the bill where you bill me, I don't pay for now. You go render the service, or you not go render the service.
Now why they beg you? I don't feel drown. I never drowned before.
You know, if you do, I never done before.
I beg.
Okay, carry my 5,000 naira give me. Wahala no dey, no sit down. Carry my money give me.
But I beg.
Who's going to wahala be this one? Brother beg. Who's going to wahala be this one? Give me my money back now.
But I beg.
Now new hookup technique be this one. Now hookup I carry you for now. Who's going to brother beg now? I dey do.
But I beg.
No be me oh. All these are dirty technique. All these are dirty technique no work for me. That's why I carry one the other day. After I give her money, he say me man water. Now you come here against one king. That kind of rubbish be down. Okay, wait till you concern me to your king go die. Now you go do king wait today. What kind of rubbish is this one now? Wait. Give me my money make you come dey go. Don't give me my money make you dey go. If you don't say you no go render the service. Let me not collect money from my hand. But that is, you are get up. Stand up first. You are carrying my money. The money where you put on, quick. Come on for here. Carry my money, give me. Come on, carry yourself. No be me oh. All this one are dirty technique. No be me oh. I carry one that didn't say be my water. You don't come your own way. You don't rubbish blood.
You
don't have future here. You don't have future. You can never make
How are you?
5 years of madness.